Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to group rows and columns in Google Sheets to hide or expand large sections of data and keep your spreadsheets organized. First, select your rows or columns. The first step is to tell Google Sheets exactly which part of your data you want to be able to collapse. Click and drag across the row numbers on the far left or the column letters at the top to highlight the section you want to group. Make sure you select the entire row or column by clicking the headers, not just the individual cells inside the sheet. Next, apply the grouping. Once your selection is highlighted, you can trigger the grouping feature through the right-click menu or the main toolbar. Right-click anywhere on the highlighted headers and select View More Row Actions or Column Actions, then click Group Rows X-Y. Alternatively, you can go to the top menu and select View, Group Rows. To do this even faster, highlight your selection and press Alt, Shift, and right arrow. Lastly, use the Collapse and Expand buttons. After grouping, a new gray bar with a minus or plus sign will appear in the margin of your spreadsheet. Click the minus button to hide those rows or columns instantly. Click the plus button to bring them back. If you have multiple groups, you can right-click any of the group buttons to expand all groups or collapse all groups at once. This is perfect for high-level summaries where you only want to show the totals and hide the messy details. And that's pretty much it. To group data in 2026, highlight your row or column headers, right-click to select Group, and then use the plus or minus buttons in the margin to toggle your view. It's the best way to manage massive data sets without deleting a single cell. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.